The Steller's jay, Cyanocida stelleri, is a bold, intelligent, and highly vocal crested bird native to western North American coniferous forests. Identified by its dark, often black head and dark blue body, it is a common, noisy visitor to campgrounds and yards. They are known for mimicking sounds, eating diverse foods, and acting aggressively. They possess a large, dark, shaggy crest that can be raised or lowered to communicate social standing or aggression. Coloration varies by region from deep blue in the north to lighter blue in the south. They are roughly the size of a robin, featuring a black beak, legs, and feet. They have loud, raspy scolding calls. As expert mimics, they can imitate other birds, particularly hawks, and, in some cases, squirrels or humans. Steller's jays are highly social during the fall and winter, but nest individually. They are known for their inquisitive, sometimes sassy nature, frequently approaching humans in campgrounds to beg for food. As omnivores, they consume seeds, nuts, berries, insects, small vertebrates, and eggs of other birds. They are known to carry large items, such as acorns, using an expandable esophagus. They prefer coniferous forests, particularly in mountainous regions from Alaska down to Nicaragua, although they adapt well to suburban areas. Seeing a Steller's jay is a common occurrence in the western U.S. and often signifies the presence of a nearby forest, as they are a fixture of the canopy. They are sometimes seen as bold and territorial, or when visiting picnic areas, an annoying scavenger. But they are generally regarded as a beautiful and intelligent, if loud, part of the ecosystem. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it.